गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, शुभ संध्या। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त नीरज और लेके आया हूं ये कैंडिड ई चैट शो, जो अपनी तरह का एक अनोखा चैट शो होगा। आज इसका प्रीमियर शो है, पहला शो है, एंड वी हैव वर्कड वेरी हार्ड फॉर दिस शो। देयर आर मल्टीपल सेगमेंट्स इन दिस। इसका द ई चैट शो ये एक हस्ती से मिलने के लिए एक जरिया है, कुछ अनकही कुछ अनसुनी सुनने के लिए एक जरिया है। तो इस ई चैट शो से हर हफ्ते हम एक नए सेलिब्रिटी से या नए प्रोफेशनल से आपकी मुलाकात कराएंगे, जिन्होंने ज़िंदगी में इतना नाम कमाया है कि वो हमारे लिए एक इंस्पिरेशनल फिगर है और उनके सीखने को हम लोगों को बहुत कुछ है। उनकी ज़िंदगी के बारे में जानेंगे, कुछ सेंसेशनल चीज़ें जानेंगे जो हमें ऐसे पता नहीं है। When we see a person, we see the height which they have reached. We don't know the hardship they have been through. So this all is about this candid e-chat show, कुछ कही कुछ अनसुनी। इसके साथ में आज की जो शख्सियत है, जो आज के सफ़र का हम सफ़र है, उसके नाम को बताने से पहले एक शेर उनके लिए अर्ज है, जो सिर्फ उनके लिए लिखा गया है। सबसे जुदा जिसके अंदाज हैं, सबसे जुदा जिसके अंदाज है, जमी और फलक जिसके परवाज है। परवाज मीन्स उड़ान, यानी जो जमी से आसमान तक जिसकी उड़ान है। सबसे जुदा जिसके अंदाज है, जमी और फलक जिसके परवाज है। डर्मेटोलॉजी इंडस्ट्री की जो सरताज है। सबसे जुदा जिसके अंदाज है, जमी और फलक जिसके परवाज है। डर्मेटोलॉजी इंडस्ट्री की जो सरताज है। ऐसी है अपनी जे, ऐसी है अपनी जयश्री शरद, जिस पे हम सबको नाज है। With this, I'd like to invite Dr. Jayashree Sharad, our own superstar from Mumbai, Dr. J. Dr. J is live. Welcome, Dr. J, on behalf of Candid Hour e-chat show, कुछ अनकही कुछ अनसुनी।
थैंक यू सो मच नीरज, ये आपने बड़ा अच्छा शेर मेरे लिए लिखा है। थैंक यू सो मच, and thank you Reveal, thank you Kuntal for inviting me here. It's such an honor.
It's honor for us also, for a personality like you getting amongst us and asking questions and knowing something more than what we know, and for the audience also, because you already are name of one.
बहुत personality है. I'm just another dermatologist.
नहीं, it's all इससे पहले कि हम अगले सेगमेंट पे जाएं, अच्छा तो आपको बहुत लग रहा होगा मेरे जैसे सुपरस्टार के साथ बैठ के।
बिल्कुल, बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है।
It's on the lighter note, don't take it seriously, but before coming to इस पे बस इतना ही जानना चाहते हैं कि जब पहली बार आपको इनविटेशन मिला, when I called you or the Reveal contacted you, how did you feel about it?
लगा कभी नहीं सोचा था कि नीरज के शो पे भी आएंगे। My first thing was why me, because I have miles to go and probably just one or two ladders I've climbed up, so I was like, why me? फिर लगा पता नहीं, maybe because this is your, and I mean, of course you have been thinking about this is your concept, your idea. बड़ा अच्छा लगा और I felt very touched. I was very touched.
Everybody will get to know why you by the end of this show. Believe me, there are many things to learn from you. It's not about the years in the practice. It's not about the achievements. There are so many other things which need to be learned. See, you are a otherwise established entrepreneur in dermatology, जो हम सबको सीखना है। तो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है, मतलब there will be different celebrities in every week from different fields. Everybody has got a different and peculiar qualities. So before once we have known कि आपको ये बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप हमारे साथ हैं, तो अगला जो हमारा सेगमेंट है वो है जिंदगी का सफर। राम प्यारी आते हैं जिंदगी के सफर पे। राम प्यारी आज हमारी को होस्ट है, हमारी लेडी कंप्यूटर हैं।
चल चल रे चल मेरी राम प्यारी।
This is what the name came from. ये जिंदगी का सफर है, ये कैसा सफर, कोई समझा नहीं, कोई जाना नहीं। हम तो जानना चाहते हैं आपकी जिंदगी के इस सफर के बारे में। Right from your childhood, there are many things we know, we have shared बट ये ऑडियंस के लिए है कि टेल अस अबाउट योर चाइल्डहुड, आपका बचपन, वेयर वर यू बोर्न, and there are a few more questions which will be quite sensational for the audience also. So be logged in.
And sensational
We
for
are
me.
about to start the journey. Fasten your belts. The joyride has started. Yes, Dr. Jay.
So yes, I was born and brought up in Jamshedpur. उस वक्त बिहार में था, अब झारखंड हो गया है. बड़े गर्व के साथ मैं कह सकती हूँ कि मैं झारखंडी हूँ. स्कूलिंग वहीं पे की थी और पापा इंजीनियर थे, मम्मी वाज अ हाउसवाइफ. बड़ा मुश्किल था हमारा सफर जो था. We had certain issues, probably a lower middle class family, but mom had big aspirations and dreams.
Oh yes.
और उन्होंने उनको था कि नहीं इंग्लिश मीडियम में ही और बेस्ट स्कूल में ही पढ़ाई करना है. तो so somehow they, I got admission to Sacred Heart Convent, which is still supposed to be one of the best schools in Jamshedpur. There were a lot of hardships.
We are the generation, just to interrupt you in between, we are the generation who know about English medium, Hindi medium.
Yes.
This generation doesn't know it.
This generation doesn't know.
This everything.
Because English medium मतलब महंगा होता था. Fees was too much.
बहुत सारी चीजें उसमें होती थी.
So with whatever little salary dad had, it was very difficult because because we were 3 of us later on. मुझे याद है tiffin, so all my classmates and all were fairly rich people, and mummy used to give me roti and onion for tiffin. तो मैं जैसे ही recess की घंटी बजती थी, मैं दौड़ के जाती थी. School was huge, campus was huge. So from the senior section, from the high school section, I used to run to the primary section और पेड़ के पीछे बैठ के जल्दी जल्दी खा लेती थी because roti and onion. And then I would go back to my friends, and it continued for a very long time. And because they would all get exotic dishes, and then I think one day my friend, my best friend, वो हमेशा first आती थी और मैं हमेशा second या third आती थी school में. 10th तक यही हमारा रहा. One day she followed me, and then she sort of, and then she caught me, and then I don't know, and then it was like ठीक है. I was sort of accepted, and I never had birthday celebrations. मैंने first time birthday cake अपना 11th standard में काटा when I went to Ferguson College. But otherwise, I was very, very ashamed of going for birthday parties because, again, लोग एक मनाते हैं, and we couldn't figure that out. We couldn't have birthday celebrations. But it went on. There were certain other personal issues, so I, had to study in the outhouses of the servant quarters. That's how I gave my 10th standard exam. But I was very hardworking. I was very.
How many brothers and sisters you had?
And my बचपन से यही था कि I was the eldest, और पूरे family में I was the eldest. My mom's side and my dad's side, they're all their brothers, sisters. So बचपन से यही था कि बड़े होकर बच्चे डॉक्टर ही बनना. उन दिनों मतलब या तो आप डॉक्टर बन सकते थे या इंजीनियर या टीचर, बन नहीं सकते थे.
अच्छा आईएएस बनेगा
है ना. अरे आईएएस तो नहीं था, बट this was these 3 things. So if you were a very good student, you would become a doctor. If you were an okay student, you could become an engineer. If you were a bad student, you would become a teacher. So for me, it was everybody had just put in that you had to be a doctor, and that's what I knew. मेरे लिए उतना ही था. And I was a very hardworking girl. Carried on somewhere. So
it means to just to summarize, what I know, you are a Telugu girl.
Yes, I'm a Telugu girl. लेकिन मेरी हिंदी नहीं है, बिल्कुल झारखंडी हूँ मैं. और जब फ्रेंड्स से मिलती हूँ, जब अपने राजेश सर से मिलती हूँ जो जमशेदपुर से हैं, तो फिर हम में उतर आते हैं. मैं नहीं यूज करते.
लखनऊ वाले भी हम ही हैं. मैं वही कहना चाह रहा था कि ये तेलुगु गर्ल, you were born in Jamshedpur?
Born in Jamshedpur.
Born in Jamshedpur, which was in Bihar, now Jharkhand. तो वो बिहार से आप झारखंड, झारखंड से आप मुंबई, एक लंबी जर्नी है. So after 11th, it was one aim. You have only one aim to be a doctor. What you say? जिंदगी का एक ही सपना था आपके कि डॉक्टर बनो.
बिल्कुल.
ये भी सपना
और
देखा.
सिखाया भी नहीं था.
हाँ?
कुछ और सिखाया ही नहीं गया था.
तो यही बताया गया था डॉक्टर बनना है. तो 12th के बाद जब आपने 12th किया तो लेटेंट पीरियड था या डायरेक्टली आपका किसी एग्जाम के थ्रू या कहीं पे आप?
तो ऐसा हुआ कि मैंने कहीं से अपने फ्रेंड से, वो ब्रिलियंट ट्यूटोरियल्स होते थे उन दिनों, तो वो सारे पेपर्स लेकर के पढ़ाई की. और उसके बाद जब वो ऑल इंडिया एंट्रेंस था तो मुझे मलेरिया हो गया था. और ऑल इंडिया एंट्रेंस के लिए हमें कोलकाता जाना पड़ता था, जमशेदपुर में सेंटर नहीं था. तो आई कुडंट गो फॉर इट. सो माय ड्रीम्स वर सॉर्ट ऑफ शैटर्ड बिकॉज आई कुडंट टेक दैट एग्जाम. फिर मैंने एएफएमसी दी, पास नहीं हुई उसमें. एम्स की दी, नहीं हुई उसमें भी. फिर मैंने कहा कि अब तो मतलब देयर इज नो स्कोप. देयर वाज ऑल इंडिया, उसमें एक होप था बिकॉज सो मेनी कॉलेजेस एंड ऑल. बाकी और भी कॉलेजेस थे बट पैसे नहीं थे टू यू नो, फॉर्म्स के लिए भी पैसे लगते हैं. तो somehow you know, I used to read and listen and find out. And कहीं एक न्यूज़पेपर में वर्धा का सेवाग्राम जो है, महात्मा गांधी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेस, उसका एक एड था न्यूज़पेपर में. दोज एग्जाम्स वर ऑलवेज इन द एंड, इन जून. और ये वाले एग्जाम्स मई में होते थे, दोज वर इन जून. तो वो एड देख लिया था मैंने. फिर मैंने किसी तरह पापा को मनाया कि ये एक एग्जाम है, यहाँ ट्राई कर लेती हूँ. पापा ने कहा पता नहीं क्या है सेवाग्राम, इट्स अ विलेज, यहाँ पे और कुछ नहीं है. I said no, I want to give it a shot because everybody was upset. So again I studied, I applied for the thing and application. The exam was in Nagpur. उसमें एक गांधी जी का पेपर था. So you had to first pass this Mahatma Gandhi's paper and only then you would qualify, and you know they would, the other papers you had to write. तो गांधी जी के बारे में तो कुछ पता ही नहीं था other than the fact that he was born on 2nd October. Anyway, so I reached the station to go to Nagpur with my dad, and my brother, he was 8 years old at that time. पता नहीं कहाँ से अपने दोस्त के बड़े भाई के, उसके दोस्त के बड़े भाई के पास ऑटोबायोग्राफी था गांधी जी का. So he brought that, gave it to me at the station. And throughout the night I sat. I was a reader, I was a bookworm. मैं बहुत, मतलब जितने आप novels बोलो, I used to read everything. तो पूरी रात मैंने ट्रेन में ऊपर वाले सेकंड क्लास के ऊपर वाले इसमें थ्री टायर में ऊपर वाले में बैठ के पूरी रात वो ऑटोबायोग्राफी चाट ली. और फर्स्ट पेपर सुबह वो था गांधी, एंड आई क्रैक्ड इट. ऑब्वियसली रात को पूरी पढ़ी हुई थी, फ्रेश था. So then I got through it, and then, you know, and then physics, chemistry, bio तो था ही तगड़ा. So then I managed and I got admission to Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences in Sevagram. At that time there was only a medical college and an engineering college there. It was just a village, nothing else.
Yes, ma'am.
अब फिर पैसे deposit 30,000 कहाँ से आएगा? So then my nana, he said, this is the 30,000 that I have kept for your mother, you know, जो भी share था सारे बच्चों के लिए. So he said, this is your mother's share. If your mother is willing, then we'll give it for your admission, that deposit. So my mom said obviously, और फिर सफर वहाँ से चला.
No, ये family support भी बहुत मायने रखता है, and this is what the hardship is. अब आज जो दिखता है वो जयश्री दिखती है, जय दिखता है, पर जय के पीछे की जो जय है, जर्नी है, ये लोगों को कम पता है. इसके लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर शेयरिंग दिस. एंड दस आज तो इस जर्नी और आपकी मेहनत की वजह से ही झारखंड से दो ही चीजें फेमस हो पाई, एक महेंद्र सिंह धोनी और दूसरी जयश्री शरद.
अरे यार,
तो
राजेश सर भी है.
हाँ, राजेश सर भी हैं, उनका भी आज आपका दिन है तो हम आपसे
साइकिलिंग बहुत कर रहे हैं.
राइट, वी विल डू दैट. एंड देन कमिंग टू जर्नी, कमिंग टू मुंबई, हाउ डिड इट हैपन? ये जयश्री से, आप पहले सिर्फ जयश्री थी, जयश्री से ये शरद कैसे हुआ? नॉमेनक्लेचर चेंज हुआ, जयश्री शरद.
हाँ, तो when I reached, अच्छा गाने का बड़ा शौक था. My mom used to sing, my nani, my mamas, everybody sings at home. तो जब कॉलेज में हमारा ऐसा था सेवाग्राम में, पता नहीं अब है कि नहीं, अभी शायद है, कि जब आप ज्वाइन करते हो आपको फर्स्ट मंथ आश्रम में रहना पड़ता है, गांधी आश्रम। वहाँ पे गांधी आश्रम प्रॉपर लाइक साबरमती, यू हैव सेवाग्राम आश्रम. So you have to spend 1 month there. You have to wear only khadi. That's a part of our ragging also. You have to wear only khadi. You have to wear salwar kameez. So all these things were there. And उस 1 month के end में फिर आप जब college, you don't attend college in that 1 month. You just do ashram का, मतलब meditation, this, that, yoga, खेती वेती, everything but studying and everything but medicine. पहले तो लगा भाई कहाँ आ गए हम, but anyway, उसके बाद at the end of this 1 month when you enter college, sorry,
शरद जी वहीं मिले.
Yeah. तो ये we have a in that first year, as soon as you enter, you have a program. It's a cultural program which the freshers, they sort of perform. So I was singing, so I used to practice every day, and my husband, he was he was the college president, so he used to come, and he was the outgoing president, so he used to come, and then there we met. And of course he has a great voice, and those days he was the heartthrob. I think he may still be, but those days to bahut zyada. And then he gave and that's how I met him. And then he gave this outgoing president speech, which was like, शुरू से ही मुझे एलोक्यूशन ऑल दीज बड़ा शौक था. स्कूल में भी मैं हमेशा फर्स्ट आती थी, ड्रामेटिक्स का, गाने का बड़ा शौक था. तो आई वाज सो बोल्ड ओवर बाय दिस fellow who is speaking so well, anyone who spoke so well. I was really like, wow. And then he went off to AIMS. But he came back in 93 to do his no, not in 93. When did you come back? 92. He came back to do his MS general surgery. He came back from AIMS. He had gone there to pursue CVTS, and then kuch hua, and then he got his MS general surgery here. He came back. Then he was obviously, when you're doing your clinics, we used to meet, and there was a surgical conference. Surgical conference में इसने मुझे पटा लिया to sing बाजीगर with him, and we used to meet every day, and then the journey started.
Excellent.
It was in 93.
Journey. The courtship of, I think, 5-7 years?
5 years.
Okay, excellent. तो ये हुआ जयश्री से जयश्री शरद बनने का किस्सा.
Yeah, because he's from Bombay, so that's how I ended up in Bombay.
And then you started with your fellowships, and then the first clinic, working with Dr. Sawant, and then so many things. Actually, it takes time in this industry. So in short, if you want to share just in one line, where exactly did you work initially, and then before opening the first clinic, so that we can come to the next thing, which is a surprise for you, which you will like.
2000, I finished and joined Dr. Sawant, and so in the mornings I used to go to 3-4 polyclinics, and then from 3 o'clock I used to be with him till 2004. And whatever I am today, I am because of him. I am because of a few others like Dr. Mysore, Dr. Somesh, Maya, who always supported me, Dr. C.R. Srinivas. But Dr. Sawant, yes, मैंने सारा dermatology तो वहीं से सीखा है, और बहुत support रहा है उनका. So in 2006 I started my own.
I also worked with him for a while. I went just to be with him for at least 1.5 to 2 months. It's a great learning experience. So there is now one surprise for you, which you like. We have worked, I don't know क्या क्या है उसके अंदर, पर एक छोटी सी हम लोगों ने आपके लिए एक यादों का झरोका, इसको हम कहते हैं, आपके लिए लेके आए हैं. तो हमारी जो ये राम प्यारी है, द लेडी कंप्यूटर, शी विल प्ले अ वीडियो फॉर यू. राम प्यारी. you like?
My sister has helped you out, helped you with this.
बिना उनके ये possible नहीं था. So now we'll come to the next segment of this show. That is practice mantra. There are short questions which I'll ask. Ram Pyari, let's go to practice mantra. Ram Pyari is not liking the name actually. So maybe she is. I have few, say 10 to 15 questions which as a
10 to 15 questions.
Small. Very, we need to be very crisp, honest. ये हम सब जानना चाहते हैं. The audience, the young dermats. See I'll start with the basic. When you talk about this success in the practice and achieving so much, I won't say in such a short span of time, but yes, in this amount of time, इतना नाम, इतना career में achievements. तो इसमें आपको जैसे 2-4-5 चीजें मैं कहूँगा, जैसे destiny है, धक्का है. धक्का means push by maybe your family members, somebody's, you know what push means exactly. Dhakka, dedication, honesty, knowledge and skills, marketing, behavior, communication and soft skills. You have to arrange this as per the importance. That's it. I'll repeat it again. It's destiny, dhakka, dedication, honesty, knowledge and skills, marketing, behavior, communication and soft skills. That's it. इतनी सारी चीजों के इतने मसाले हैं. इन मसालों को आप ग्रेड करिए कि कौन सा सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मसाला है.
I think knowledge is the most important, and then comes dedication, then comes honesty. फिर क्या कहा आपने?
Marketing and soft skills and destiny.
Soft skills after that. Then comes destiny and dhakka, and finally comes marketing.
Marketing plays a role, you mean to say. Now in this present aesthetic.
In today's era, I don't have any PR or any marketing strategies. I don't have a team, but I am quite active on Instagram, and that helps me. That's a form of marketing.
That's form of marketing. Any social media doing is form of marketing. So it's for audience. Now you know that destiny and the marketing are the last thing. You have to work hard. The honesty plays a role. The first thing is knowledge and skills.
I think perseverance is so important.
Yes, keep learning, keep learning, keep learning. This is what the idea is. And what
to dream big is very important.
Everybody, this is what, if you will dream of Everest, तो आधे पहाड़ तो करोगे ही ना. कोशिश तो करोगे. This is what I always say. पहला जो the first love and the first machine and the first car, we all remember. So I won't ask about the first love and the rest of the things. First machine I want, first laser. And what did you call it? Which was the machine first you invested in?
I had first bought the Cutera, the long pulse transient for hair removal. That was the first thing that I bought, I think, back in 2004.
Beautiful machine,
beautiful machine. Just after I had, while I was working with Dr. Sawant, I had done this. I got this opportunity to go to Bangkok and do a fellowship in lasers. So when I came back is when I bought this Cutera, and that's when I started full-fledged on my own. And I think it was really the best choice that I made. The right choice.
Time has changed. You see, say initially it was laser hair reduction. I think now if you have given it, you have to advise some junior first machine to buy for beginner say. तो क्या होनी चाहिए? The same laser hair reduction or something else?
So it depends on what kind of practice you're looking at, and where are you practicing. I will say that in today's day and age, now a lot of these chains and salons and all of them have bought the laser hair removal machine. So for us, if we want to be different, I think the Q-switch Nd:YAG, and for people who can afford maybe the Pico, but otherwise the pigment lasers, the Q-switch Nd:YAG is a steal. But
I think that's
the workhorse is still the laser hair removal. You have to have that.
But if you're starting practice, you can start with Q-switch laser now.
Yes,
I think more versatile than laser hair reduction has only one indication.
Yes.
This is later you can do rejuvenation, pigmentation, and so on, multiple.
And you can be different from what a salon or these high profile chains are offering. So, you know, and then you can have your LHR also.
So, one more question. You talked about fellowship, training. It's again a marketing, or does fellowship training is mandatory to start aesthetic practice?
No, no. So in those days, I'll tell you, Neeraj, in those days, so my journey is very, it's full of struggles. So basically, you know, I got married in 95, just after I finished MBBS, before I got into internship. Then I did my internship in JJ. It was called externship, so they didn't give me stipend. My dad was not working, so my brother and my sister had to be supported. My husband had a salary of 6,000, and there was no way I could go back to Sevagram. I would have got a very nice MD seat there, but I couldn't. So I joined Nanavati as a senior resident in the Department of Medicine. And so because I was getting 4,000 rupees as stipend, so Sharad 6,000, my 4,000, and we had to run the entire show. Brother's education, he was sister's education, you know, and I stayed in Nanavati in the hostel, so I used to meet him twice a week. And then because I was so hardworking again, I happened to impress my bosses, and when there was a seat vacant in Dermat, they gave me Dermat. So that's what happened. And then, you know, in those days, it was all by chance, because when I was doing internship, I wanted to be a pediatrician or a surgeon. I didn't want to do dermatology. So it was destiny. It was like when I had no option and I needed the money, I got into it. And there wasn't anyone who was teaching us fillers and Botox. You know, we did hear in those days of Dr. Rekha Sheth doing fillers and Botox, but she was not in Nanavati. So where would you learn about them? Where would you learn about all the lasers? I learned a lot of dermatosurgery. You know, Dr. Savin, Dr. Saraf, Dr. Marva, Dr. Gala have taught me so much in dermatosurgery, and, you know, all the chemical peels, this, that, the other. But we didn't have lasers. So that is why. But in today's day and age, आप workshops इतने अच्छे हैं, हमारे इतने बड़े-बड़े दिग्गज हैं, स्वप्निल शाह है, संजीव औरंगाबादकर है, अनुराग तिवारी, आप हो. So, you know, we can all learn from you. So you don't have to actually go and do that.
Talk about injectable training. The companies are doing excellent. They are
absolutely
finding it.
Because that's nothing. I had to do a fellowship in lasers in Bangkok and a fellowship in Miami for injectables. Otherwise, I wouldn't today. Not needed. You don't have to.
Now the time has come. I am saying in our time. जैसे अपना time जब
अपना time हो तो 20 साल तो अपना ही time हो गया. I think मेरा, I don't know about you.
We used to join Kaya to just learn. It's something around 15 years back. This is what we did, to learn about laser, to learn about injectables and aesthetic practice. Because in MD curriculum, there was nothing like aesthetics, other than the basic acne scar reduction with subcision and other things, cryo and कुछ होता नहीं था. तो ये सब तो धीरे-धीरे टाइम के साथ आया. I'll come to the other question, that is consultation to conversion. This is an art, or this comes with time, or is there any learning tip you can give to audience?
This has been a big struggle for me, Neeraj, because I was discussing this with you yesterday also, where I cannot bring myself to convert a patient. It's still difficult for me. So if a person comes with tinea, I will treat him or her for tinea and send him back. I will not say, I think you need this, or why don't you look happier? You're looking sad. I still can't do that. It's difficult for me, but I think it's an art. And I think I really appreciate all those who can actually, you know, do this. And I think we should all learn in today's day and age.
And then I think the staff plays a major role.
Yes.
That's why these.
But I'll tell you also what happens is, if you are the boss and if you behave in a particular way, the staff also behaves like that. My staff for some reason behaves like that. So I'm like a complete loser when it comes to certain treatments like body contouring, like my cool sculpting.
So you are doing a lot of injectables. Injectables comes with success, and depends कितना भी expert injector क्यों ना, complications होते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
Those complications के बाद then there is dissatisfied client, irritated client. How to handle them? What do you do exactly? Any mantra or any tip for the audience? Just in short, कोई दो छोटी छोटी चीजें आप बताना चाहें?
आई थिंक पहले तो आपका जो काउंसलिंग है वो बड़ा तगड़ा होना चाहिए. जब आप पेशेंट को काउंसिल करते हो, सारे कॉम्प्लिकेशंस बता दो. ये नहीं कि पेशेंट बोलेगा नहीं नहीं बट वी डोंट ब्रूज एट ऑल, आई डिडंट ब्रूज लास्ट टाइम. You may not bruise 100 times, you may bruise the 101st time. You must tell this to your patient. Yes. And make yourself safe. And enlist that these are the complications which are possible, and these are the things that you should not do and before coming for the injectables, and these are the things that you should not do after. So first, just that counseling is very important, and also the patient expectation. Sometimes with one syringe they think they can achieve everything. So same thing happens with lasers. उनको लगता है laser is some magic wand, एक session कर दिया सारा pigment गायब. So counseling is extremely important. Next, you can still have side effects. Even the best of injectors have had. I have had vascular complications twice. My first vascular complication was in 2016, which was after 12 years after I started injecting. 2004, yeah, 12 years after I started injecting. So I think hand holding then becomes very important, and be accessible to the patient. Be very, very humble, very polite, but and do everything for the patient. And that empathy should be like 10 times more.
The main thing.
But don't sort of feel sorry for yourself and behave as if you made some mistake, because you haven't made a mistake. It's something that can happen
to anybody, but
so that because otherwise they can take you for a ride.
Have you ever experienced somebody demanding the money back of the treatment?
Yes, I have also paid back.
वापस करिए, मैं तो यहाँ इतने उम्मीद लेके आई थी, आपने मेरे चेहरे में इतने सारे.
ये मेरे साथ हुआ है. I have also paid back. This was also maybe in 2014 or something. Patient she came with her cousin sister. Her cousin sister was a friend, a patient of mine for a long time. तो वो आई और उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे अंडर आई फिलर करना है, बेटी की शादी अब कर दो. तो पहले तो मैंने कहा नहीं यार, आप आई थिंक 2013 की बात है. आई सेड नो, 15 डेज बचे, कुछ ब्रूजिंग वगैरह हो जाएगा तो नहीं मैं ब्रूज नहीं करती हूँ, कुछ नहीं, आप कर दो. एंड द फ्रेंड हु गॉट हर सेड नहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है डॉक, यू हैव बीन इंजेक्टिंग मी, आई हैव नेवर हैड अ साइड इफेक्ट. तो बस जोश में कर लिया, और राइट इनफ शी हैड अ बिग ब्रूज. And during the wedding, her daughter's wedding. And
one more point is the Google Baba fans. Any comment on that?
Sorry?
Google Baba fans. There's a lot of.
So that I actually give back.
Do then say, for them you are second opinion actually.
No, so 20 years down the line, when I'm sitting on my chair and when I can say that, look, I think I know what I'm doing. I can very confidently say that. And if you still believe in Dr. Google, then why don't you go elsewhere or go to Dr. Google, is what I just put my foot down. So that I don't compromise on.
Okay. We can say that Google से treatment करा लो, ऐसा कभी कहा है आपने?
बिल्कुल. I sometimes do tell my patients that I'm sorry. My hard work and my ongoing studies, every year I'm still going and studying.
Okay.
I don't think I think I know my subject well, is what I say. If you don't trust me, you can't get treated by me. The first thing is trust.
That's what. And then see, you handle a lot of celebrity clients now. We all know this. So, and then I just wish to know, the handling celebrity client is an art. It's something different, or they are the same. They behave the same. पैसे मिल जाते हैं. हम लोग तो ये भी पूछते हैं. I'll tell you what. For us, celebrity client is something like seeing politicians, bureaucrats. They are different for us because whosoever the state head is, they are my patient. So, end of the day, we see a different kind of celebrity. So I just mean to.
The first rule is that you have to behave with them just as you behave with any other patient. So you should not, I never had a fascination, or I was never overawed by any celebrity except for Mr. Bachchan. So for me it was very easy, and to behave very normal with them, to not take photographs with them, to maintain those ethics. There was one celebrity couple who, the husband and wife were both coming to me, but both didn't know that they were coming to me. So we used to, that kind of secrecy we could maintain, until one day both of them said, my dermat is better than yours, and the other one said, no, mine is better than yours, and then they figured they had the same dermat. So that's the kind of ethics and that we kept, and we never talked about celebrities. I have been treating celebrities since 2008, but nobody really knew about it till 2013 when Mr. Bachchan inaugurated my clinic. So, and then, they all said this is Bollywood's best kept secret, which is let out. So I think the first thing is, do not take any favors from them. Do not, ask them for anything till you really, really know them, maybe for over a decade. Do not take photographs and autographs and, post it on social media and all that. I think they like all that, and then treat them very normal. The entire staff also should treat them really normal, as if. So that's one thing. पैसे नीरज मिल जाते हैं, पैसे का कुछ नहीं है. They are very good. They are punctual. They are as far as money is concerned. But yes, I don't overcharge them. I price them. I charge them as much as I would charge any other patient, because for me they're all patients. And as a rule, I don't do home visits. Maybe for one or two I would, but otherwise I don't. Even now during these COVID times, I did get some few requests and I said no, because if you set that trend, then it gets difficult. So I think that's what they appreciate, the honesty, the ethics, that's it.
Social media से एक बात याद आई. How do you handle negative reviews?
हाँ जी, बोलिए.
How do you handle negative reviews?
I have become thick-skinned.
Oh, that's one.
I ignore them, so I just ignore them, And if they troll me a lot, तो मैं उनको block कर देती हूँ. But otherwise, I just ignore them. I've reached that phase in life where also I have Mr. Bachchan as my guide. So if I have issues, then I would, discuss it with him, and life becomes easier.
Yes, he's also a mentor then. So
Sachin has asked me how's his health. Sachin, he is good by God's grace. He's doing well, and yeah.
God is kind. We all love him like anything. For me, the only one celebrity I know whom I consider a celebrity is Amitabh Bachchan.
Absolutely. कोई और हो ही नहीं सकता.
चलिए अभी अमिताभ बच्चन पे हम लोग आते हैं, पर उससे पहले बस दो छोटे छोटे मेरे सवाल है. ऑपलेट एक तो सिंगल क्लिनिक versus multiple clinics. What's your take? You have two clinics, one at Vashi and one at Khare, if I'm not wrong.
I do have two clinics, Neeraj, but again, you have to have a business mind. I couldn't bring myself to have this kind of, a lot of people approach me for franchisee, this, that, the other, but that personal touch is somehow lost, and it becomes difficult. When you have 5 doctors under you, then if something goes wrong and it's not them, it's you. Once Anuj and I were discussing this, and he was like, "अरे तुम्हारा patient और मुझे पता भी नहीं मेरा patient, उसको ये हो गया था, उसको laser burn हो गया था, उसको and मुझे my other people have not even informed me. They probably got scared. So there are disadvantages, and even today sometimes I tell my husband that I think I should just shut one and sit in one, have a nice boutique practice, do your 10 to 6 and go home, and I would now go back to a single practice.
Not everybody.
There are people I know. I know Chaitra has got so many centers. She does it so well. Dr. Sakhya,
Dr. Sakhya.
Dr. Sakhya.
He is source of inspiration to many actually.
Completely.
I'm learning from him. Also run these if you have number of clinics. Now coming to the next segment, because already we have asked so many questions. There was one question which our audience has asked is about skin rejuvenation. Is something like skin rejuvenation? Is it a myth or a reality? It works, not?
I think.
What are the procedures? Just in one line, I want to ask. Which is the best procedure for skin rejuvenation? Suppose a patient drops in, after 2 days there is marriage or there's some function to attend. Which is the procedure you will choose? For the skin type, I know, and then you will say. But
2 days and all. I think, you know, laser
One
toning.
versatile procedure like Amitabh Bachchan who fits into any role.
Laser toning.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Sorry?
Laser toning is Amitabh Bachchan for skin rejuvenation.
Yes, yes.
Okay, excellent. Now coming अमिताभ बच्चन से मुझे याद आया कि आप भी अमिताभ बच्चन की फैन हैं और मैं भी अमिताभ बच्चन का फैन हूँ और जितने लोग देख रहे हैं ये सारे अमिताभ बच्चन के फैन हैं. So we have designed a specific segment today.
ये बड़ा नर्वस करता है मुझे.
नहीं कुछ नहीं है, ये तो एक छोटा सा है. And you know every this. The segment name is Candid Talks. So Ram Pyari, let's go to Candid Talks. मैं आपको एक डायलॉग सुनाऊंगा जो आपने सुना भी होगा. बस उसमें एक छोटी सी चीज बतानी होगी आपको. मूछें हो तो लाल जी जैसी हूँ वरना ना हो. ये तो चलिए डायलॉग है. किस मूवी का है?
ये कालिया का.
नहीं, गलत हो गया. खैर मूवी मुझे जाननी भी नहीं थी, मुझे ये जानना है.
नमक हलाल का.
ये भी फिर गलत हो गया.
मुझे मैं नर्वस हो रही हूँ.
ये शराब से है.
शराबी.
हाँ शराबी से है. पर ये तो क्वेश्चन नहीं था. क्वेश्चन इज ये नथुलाल जी कौन है? नथुलाल जी का नाम मुझे.
मुखरी ना. मुखरी.
यस यस. इसके लिए आपको पूरे पॉइंट मिलते हैं. अगेन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज शेरो शायरी की तरह बोलूंगा पर उसको आपको गाना है और समझना है. मैं उसकी बीच की कोई दो लाइन
मुझे गाना है.
हाँ वो आप समझ जाएंगे. या गाना है या वो गाना आप नहीं गाना चाहेंगे तो अगला गाना गाएंगे. लेकिन आपको पहले तो गाना बताना है. ये कुछ जो चंद अल्फाज में बोलूंगा उसको आपको ध्यान से सुनना होगा. सोचोगे जब मेरे बारे में तन्हाइयों में. सोचोगे जब मेरे बारे में तन्हाइयों में.
गिर जाओगे और भी मेरी
परछाइयों में. So which song is this? Which movie is this?
This is my favorite song. It's there.
और अमित जी
on my computer soundplate. So this is सत्य पे सत्ता. It's दिल भर मेरे.
आपको कुछ गुनगुना दीजिए हम लोगों के लिए.
Hey, la 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 la. दिलबर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे. मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा वो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे. दिलबर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे. मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा वो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे. एक दिन आएगा प्यार हो जाएगा. हो मैं आग दिल पे लगा दूंगा वो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे.
Wow, excellent. Everybody is saying, somebody is saying amazing voice ma'am, somebody is saying but तो charisma है मैम. आवाज भी आप तो दूसरी स्वर कोकिला है.
Thank you.
Coming to this, and then the next one is it's more of a Italian. It's not Italian song. थोड़ा डायलॉग ऐसा है. आपको सॉन्ग बताना है तो बॉलीवुड. अमिताभ जी हैं. It's all अमिताभ स्पेशल.
I got it. दो लफ्जों की है.
वहाँ से गाना है.
Amore mio, something.
Amore mio, thou stack to Sia solo mio. This is what the lyrics is. दो लफ्जों की है कहानी. बस दो लाइन आप.
Great Gambler. It's
yes,
from
movie is Great Gambler, and the actress is. I want to know the name of the question was not this.
Oh.
वो जो पीछे बैकग्राउंड में नाव चला रहा है उसका नाम जानना है.
Hey, oh.
You know what his name is? You can check it on the Google also. He's Christine Douglas.
Oh.
He's a boxer of yes, E3. तो ये मेरा क्वेश्चन तो ये था. लोग जीनत अमान और अमिताभ बच्चन, ये तो सब।
अमिताभ बच्चन great gambler both of them.
Now coming on to the next one. It's something like, again I'll say like a phrase, but it's a very say famous song of Amitabh Bachchan. ये नहीं आता तो मतलब अमिताभ बच्चन के सबसे बड़े फैन होने का आपका तमगा मैं हम दोनों लोगों को शेयर करते हैं। अरे 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 कीने मारी पिचकारी, थोड़ी भीगी है क्या मेरी,
यारा सिलसिला रंग बरसे।
Yeah, excellent. I have chosen all very simple basic clues. Now we are मैंने उठाया है, आपको बताना है ये कौन सा गाना है। बरसात बरसात में थी कहाँ बात ऐसी, बरसात में थी कहाँ बात ऐसी, पहली बार बरसी बरसात ऐसी, आए बरसात में थी कहाँ बात ऐसी, पहली बार बरसी बरसात ऐसी,
तो हमें ना उठाइयो आज फिसल जाए तो। नमक हलाल।
नमक हलाल, yeah, you are, and the lead actress was
स्मिता पाटिल।
Yep, that's what. समंदर में नहा के और भी नमकीन हो गई हो। ये तो मुझे ये जानना ही नहीं है, ये नमकीन कौन हो गया है?
जीनत अमान।
ओह,
है प्यार का वो रंग कि रंगीन हो गई,
नमकीन हो गई है जीनत अमान। I won't give you time. Just immediate question and the answer. Triple role of Amitabh Bachchan. Which movie? Which? Mahan. Who are the other two actors?
Amitabh
Bachchan. So it's very simple. अच्छा, the next, the files, मैं पहली लाइन गाऊंगा, जिसका बड़ा भाई और शराबी. What is the next?
छोटा पिए तो क्या है खराबी, चिंटू।
Oh yes, you are right. And then जाने कैसे कब कहाँ इकरार हो गया. Which movie?
शक्ति।
Excellent. दो लफ्जों की है दिल की कहानी. इसकी शूटिंग कहाँ हुई थी? इसकी शूटिंग कहाँ हुई थी?
वेनिस।
Oh, excellent. बनारस का पान खा के क्या खुल जाता है?
खाई के पान, बंद अकल का ताला।
Oh, excellent. The next one is, इसको थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनिएगा आप। जब हमें आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है, when we are not able to understand anything, we say, can you please repeat it? Pardon. अमिताभ बच्चन क्या कहते हैं?
अमिताभ बच्चन क्या कहते
हैं? Oh,
हैं?
you missed it. It's for the rapid fire. It's very simple. I
was actually going to say that.
So this is.
Oh, actually, excuse me, please.
Excuse me, please.
I'm not a good actor.
So this was what the Bollywood rapid fire. I'm done with it. If they can play the audio, it's well and good. Otherwise.
सोच बने ताज ना होने पाए ताजे दिल, जब भी बने आवाज ना होने पाए।
जिंदगी सोच बने, जिंदगी सोच बने साज ना होने पाए, साज दिल जब भी बजे आवाज ना होने पाए।
You are nearly right, I would say. There was one more audio. You are right. This the movie was Yarana. This share was from Yarana, Amitabh Bachchan. And the other one.
My brother is saying it's not Kalpana Iyer.
Who's saying? Somebody from Google. I don't know.
It's Shamli.
Shamli. Okay.
Then I was right.
Kalpana Iyer का पहले नाम Shamli था. We'll take.
The hemoglobin in the atmosphere because you are a sophisticated rhetorician intoxicated by the exuberance of your own verbosity.
Now the question is to the audience, do practice on this. Dialogue ऐसे ही बोलना है. आप लोगों को WhatsApp करिए. You will receive books, specifically the author जिसकी Dr. J हैं, and there are few more things on behalf of Reveal and this event. The name is कुछ कही कुछ अनसुनी, अपना candid show की तरफ से. And then you will be, there is one more surprise prize. एक conference के लिए आपका registration free है. So these are so many things. जिसका सबसे पहले आएगा there will be one winner. If anybody has the guts to say now, I can give you the chance now also.
Wow. What is it?
Then somebody is writing it. Dr. Sarthi, no, you have to...
by the hemoglobin in the atmosphere because you are a sophisticated rhetorician intoxicated by the exuberance of your own verbosity.
So go home, practice it. Or now also, whosoever will send it first, you can mail it to us, or either you can WhatsApp me on 94150 So with this, we'll come on to the next segment, and before that, there is a small video.
Dr. Prerna, in the meantime, since they are doing this, Dr. Prerna is asking which laser hair reduction you will suggest for a dermatologist. I'm not being biased, but I've been using the Reveal Vega for the last 6 months, and it's a 2D technology of 755 and 810 diode, and I think it's amazing. So you should look at it. I think it's also cost-wise quite economical.
Okay, excellent. So this is So now they're coming on to the next segment, Ram Pyari, the lady computer. And we go on to कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. देखिए एक एक करके आपके चाहने वाले आएंगे, ऐसे तो बहुत हैं. They and then
मेरे चाहने वाले सारे हैं यहाँ.
नहीं, I'll tell you what, इकट्ठे किए गए हैं. It was like this. It was something like this. They were waiting for the call. अच्छा. It was so. It was. I don't have words to explain. I talked to somebody who's going to be the next. या आपके लिए एक. So Ram Pyari, Kuntal, can we get the first guest? Keeping it as surprise in the chronological order.
Wow.
Right.
Yeah, we are getting it.
Okay, and then the video. When the video comes, it will be a surprise for you. It's a live. Not a video, I'll say. It's a live feed. इंतजार कर रहे हैं. वो भी एक ऐसी शख्सियत है, खुद में एक शख्सियत है. उनके लिए भी एक शेर मैं कह सकता हूँ. So she is I'll say a source of inspiration for me also.
Dr. Maya.
I was just trying to make it simple. Dr. Maya, are you there?
Yes.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah, hi.
And
can you hear me?
Thanks for accepting this. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Hi, Jay. Hugs to you.
I'm good. How are you?
Oh my God, I'm so happy. I've just been listening to whatever you said so long. And I must tell the audience that I know Dr. Jayashree for more than 20 years. She's an amazing personality. As you heard from her, her hard work, her passion for her subject has really made her an international figure. So much so that I'm honored to be known as her friend or guru, as she fondly calls me. What is more amazing is that she's so humble. I saw that in the chat also now. She's so simple and always willing to share her knowledge. I think she's a perfect example of what an aspiring young dermatologist needs to be or follow. And I hope God will bless you abundantly in your future journey to reach and come to all your dreams come true. All the best, Jay, and all the best, Dr. Neeraj, for choosing the most apt person to be the first guest in your program. And kudos to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Maya. This is the best.
Pleasure always, Jay.
You know how much I love you.
I know, I love you too.
And you've always been
there, my
teacher and now my friend. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
मुझे लगता है एक this is the love. एक से और अनुराग है आपको. You know the meaning of अनुराग, Dr. J?
Anurag. नहीं, पूछना पड़ेगा उससे, उसे बुला लो।
बुला लेते हैं मैम, अब आपने कहा तो आपके अपने हमारे अपने। One and only Dr. Anurag Tiwari from Bhopal.
Hi Jay.
Hi, how are you?
Very well, very well. So nice to hear everything about you. But सब लोग इतना अच्छा अच्छा बोल रहे हैं तुम्हारे बारे में।
तू कुछ बुरा बोल दो।
तेरे को अजीब नहीं लग रहा कि सब लोग क्या क्या इतना अच्छा बना दिया तुमको? सब
क्यों बना दिया? हो ना, you are there.
You know, Jayashree is like a अंडा, rather अंडी है वो।
अंडी।
Female part of अंडा। नो बाहर से इतनी हार्ड रहेगी लेकिन अंदर से बहुत सॉफ्ट है। You know, these are fair, these are good people to know. Initially you feel कि अरे because of their confidence you feel कि they are so hard, they are stubborn, and sometimes people say कि arrogant हैं. But once you spend time with people like her, you realize कि there's a very soft core, and once you know them, you got a friend for life. And that's what Jay is to me. She's confident, live wire है, बहुत बड़ी फायर ब्रांड है। उसकी सबसे बड़ी कमी एक ही बता सकता हूं मैं, that वो अपने दोस्तों को ना बोलना नहीं जानती। So Jay, it's good to have you. It's so nice to be a friend of yours, and I treasure your friendship.
ये ना बोलने का इंडिकेशन क्या है बॉस? We like to know more.
Likewise.
क्या बोल रहे हो नीरज?
ना बोलने का इंडिकेशन, ना बोलना चाहिए किसको, मतलब कैन यू?
नहीं, कभी नहीं बोलती। इसको कुछ भी बोलो कि जय ये करना है तो जय कर देगी। जय ऐसा करना है, हाँ करेगी। दोस्तों के लिए सब मना नहीं करती, कभी नहीं करती। शी विल से कि नहीं यार अच्छा ये करना है, वो ऐसी मदद चाहिए तो शी इज देयर, चलो कर रही हूँ मैं। You know, that's she is good to a fault. I would like to say that she is good to a fault. So keep it up, Jay. All the best to you.
Thank you so much, Anurag.
Become bigger.
Missing all our meetings and sitting and having food, dinner with you and chatting and
absolutely. It's always been a pleasure. It's always been a pleasure and a great time.
The next name is something like a Bollywood name. He is very, very close to you. एक बॉलीवुड का सितारा है, नन्ना मुन्ना छोटा सा, नाम में उसके बहुत दम है। राम प्यारी, can we go to the next guest please? I think
नीरज,
अच्छा आ गए।
I want to ask you, मेरे नाम के अंदर कौन सा है ये मेरे को बताना, मुझे खुद नहीं पता।
बाद में बताएंगे ना यार, ये तो you are a Bollywood package, you know। ये तुम्हारी मुस्कुराहट, ये तुम्हारे उड़े उड़े से बाल, मैं तो यार पूरे दिन तुम्हारे ऊपर शायरी कर सकता हूँ। So that and we all love you like a gentleman of the dermatology। like एक word तो तुम्हारे।
got all my closest friends from. I'm so happy. Like people who I treasure.
Well, like I mean, Jay, honestly speaking, like it's so beautiful to be here today, and आपके बारे में तो सबने बहुत कुछ कहा, एक इसके बारे में थोड़ा बोल देते हैं, नहीं तो Neeraj, first of all, congratulations for such a beautiful show you have, come up with, and like as the first choice, Dr. Maya was also telling, the best person, Jay, you have opted for, and it's really so beautiful to have her here. And as Dr. Anurag was saying, and Dr. Maya also said, echo their voice, echoes everything, the sentiments and emotions. I know her past around not 20 years, 3-4 years now, and that's how our friendship, it grew. And we had talked about life, we had talked about very beautiful things also.
Scuba diving.
I'm sorry?
Scuba diving
as well, yeah. And the other thing which is so good about her is, as Dr. Anurag said, she would not say no to anybody. She would not say no to anybody. He really means it. Because it's a message for all the youngsters who are watching it also. If you have any problem, just call her, she'll help you. She will help you with her smile on, and she's always very kind, very nice, and we love your smile. Always smiling. Say again?
What do you want from me?
No, nothing. And stay like the way you are, Chulbuli, and we always like you the way you are.
Thank you.
And it's so beautiful to have you here today. So nice.
Thank you, Anuj.
And me too, cherish your friendship.
Right word use, Anuj, चुलबुलेपन के कदरदान तो हम सब लोग हैं। This is what we all appreciate. And then the next one is, we'll play a video before that. Can we play a video? Can we play the video, please?
Oh.
Oh, this is fun.
Hi, Doc. Just want to say you're amazing at what you do, and you're an even amazing person. So I'm wishing you all the love and advanced happy birthday.
And the birthday
Is on the 19th of August.
19th of August, we know. That's one. And then the next one is somebody who's very, very close to you.
Every time, last time you had that hair, this time you have something.
I know, I just got it for you. So good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Hi.
Yeah, good evening.
I'm so glad to be
ये
here.
सूट कर रहा है तुझे.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I'm so glad to be here. Like, a wonderful concept, and thank you, Neeraj sir, for putting this up. And of course, ma'am, through all her work, has totally deserves to be the first one to be here. I remember first time I saw ma'am, and I was also discussing this, was about 3 to 4 years ago. I was in my second year of MD, and it was during the COSDERM conference, and she was just running around. She was the organizing secretary and scientific secretary, and she was running around literally everywhere throughout that Renaissance Hotel, organizing in all the halls and like even in the stall areas, like talking to the hosts. And that is when I first saw her. And then I was introduced to her actually just 1 year back by Somesh Gupta sir, if you remember, ma'am, in Lexicon, when you had a keynote speech, and then you gave a brilliant performance in the evening when you sang all those songs for all of us present in the gallery. Everyone who was there, I remember. Yeah, so that was when I was formally introduced. And I got to be with ma'am and do my fellowship, the AXI fellowship under her this December. And that is when I personally got to see ma'am from close quarters. And the wonderful person that she is today, what she mentioned, to sum up the whole personality that she is as a doctor, as a mentor, for me, is when she said that even if it's a tinea patient or even if it's a celebrity, it is the same love, empathy, and respect for the patient that she shows. And that's the whole thing that I learned from her. And it has been a wonderful learning experience for me.
Thank you so much, Dhanraj. Thank you.
Thanks, Dhanraj. The wonderful words.
Thank you for giving me
the thing need to be learned. So now, coming on to the next is, first is, thank you very much, Dr. Jay.
Thank you, Dr. Neeraj. I'm really honored and so grateful to you that you thought of me. I have no words. And then you brought all these lovely people. I'm so grateful to you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. जाते जाते तो मैं एक
I can't hear you.
So, am I mute or am I audible?
Yeah.
देखिए, चांद तो हर रोज निकलता है. चांद तो हर रोज निकलता है, ऊपर आसमान में दिखता है, पर ऐसे रूबरू चांद को तो पहली बार देखा है. ये आपके लिए है. और thank you very much on behalf of the team, on behalf of Reveal team, as well as this whole Candid E-Show team. The idea was conceptualized long time back, but it was a big challenge, and somebody like you make it possible. See, I don't have words to thank you, but it was a learning experience for all of us. Lot of learnings from your practice mantras, from your जिंदगी का सफर, and जो लोगों ने कहा आपके बारे में, ऐसे ही कोई जयश्री शरद नहीं बन जाता. ऐसे ही कोई जयश्री शरद नहीं बन जाता. जिंदगी में कई मकाम देखने पड़ते हैं. तो this is what is true for you. Thank you very much, Dr. J. And before you leave, I want some crisp message to the audience. Seeing this COVID times, and there are some future budding dermatologists, those who are going to be future superstars of the dermatology. Something, if you can give some tips in short.
But before that, come here. My day will not end, Bunty. Come on. So my pillar of strength and my everything.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
you are.
Acha, haan.
Yes, you have to be.
So that's my husband. That's he.
Hi sir, good evening.
That's
Good
Dr.
evening.
Neeraj, and you know, I wouldn't be where I am today without his support. So
Good to see you. Yeah.
Same.
I think everything has been spoken about her, so there's nothing much for me to add.
Something one line which anybody see, something which you will say will be different from others because you are the one who know the most.
Yeah, I know her, but then I think 1.5 hours has been a long time, and most of it has been said. Really, I mean, there's nothing more for me to add. I mean, she's one of the kind. She has a mix. She's a mixed bag of everything good that one needs to have to reach, a certain point of success in life. Focus, dedication, hard work, brilliance, memory, judiciousness, and point of focus. At certain point of time, you need to know what you should do, what is most important at that point of time. So the focus at that point, it may change after 6 months, after 1 year, after 5 years. So your focus needs to be progressive. It is not just focus all the time, a progressive focus. So I think she is extremely selective, and I think whatever choices she makes in life are correct.
this is the best choice I made in life.
So I think it's a mixed bag. Everybody
on the lighter note, Sharad boss, I have seen first time husband praising so much. Why?
It's critical appreciation, I would say. Something that I have seen in her.
No, that's what it was on the lighter note. We all know. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Whatever you said is absolute truth. We do agree with that. So with this.
So yeah. So I think that's all. He said it all, and that's the. So I have to just say that during these COVID times, I think people who are I don't know about people who are working and salaried, but for people who are in private practice, it's been a very tough situation. But I think we have to hang in there and just, this too shall pass. So make the most of this time, write journal articles, write, as much as you can, read, attend. We've all attended webinars, but try and get something out of it. I think this is the time when you have, and you can, I actually make a timetable for the entire week. I have a diary, and I make my notes, and I say, okay, today I'm going to sit and revise this, and today I'm going to sit and revise this, and today I'm going to attend this, or today I'm going to teach this. So it's very important to make your calendar and, write things down, and if you want to make social media videos, or you want to write articles, I think the best time to sit and write your journal articles, and this will pass. You won't get this time again, so make the most of it, and some friend of the other day came, and I was a little, I'm a human being. I also have huge overhead. So I was in a little bit of a dip, and this friend came and she said, you know what, just give it 1 year and then the curve will go like this. And I was like, yes, it's going to go like this. So that's what it is. And all of us are in the same situation. So just hang in there.
We are waiting for this curve.
We are waiting for this. Yes. It'll happen. It has to happen. Thank you to all of you who've been here and watched this entire. It was a long show, Neeraj. I think we should cut it down a little so people, probably. But this is
the first two. We are also learning.
We'll also learn, and we'll all learn, and probably we'll discuss. And after this, we should discuss how to make it a little more crisp and take inputs from all the audience. Please give us your feedbacks. That'll be great. Thank you once again.
Thank you. And this is the feedback is there. The audience, those who are there, the host and panelists cannot vote, but yes, the attendees, please do vote on this. How do you like to rate this show? It is good, best, excellent, needs some improvement. So it's a challenge. This is what I always say. So this is an innovation. Next time will be even better and better. We refine ourselves.
But it's
is no second thought.
beautiful. Your this whole innovation, this concept, Dr. Neeraj, hats off to you. And Dr. Neeraj is also multi-talented. He is such a wonderful actor. Apart from being a wonderful person and a great dermatologist, he's also a wonderful actor. Nobody can do mimicry like him. I mean, I really enjoy. And I think thanks to CDSI, I got to know you. And, I also cherish our friendship and hope that it continues. So, एक जाते जाते हो जाए, please, Dr. Neeraj, please.
फिर तो मुझे धर्मेंद्र अमिताभ जी का तो इतना हो गया, मुझे धर्मेंद्र बनना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल बन जाइए धर्मेंद्र.
ये तुझे फिर आना होगा, बहुत जल्दी बुलाएंगे, मैसेज भी आएंगे, फिर चक्की pissing and pissing and pissing. Thank you very much, Jay. It was wonderful being with you.
Fab. Thank you.